Alright, Dr. Billy D here with a Cal Jam news update. I wish I had better news for you, but it's been very, very difficult on us. Finding a space to do Cal Jam, we've been continuing to work with Cedarstone Center for the Arts, Orange County Performing Arts Center. They are just so backlogged with Broadway shows that our show is not a priority at this time. They've even pushed us back as far as July of 2024. Which kind of sucks. We've looked at other spaces, but we just don't really want to step down in our production and quality. But we continue to look, and we've looked at outdoor venues, we've looked at the Westin, we've looked at hotels, we've looked at out of state even. So if you out there have any specific ideas or recommendations, I would really welcome that, and so would my team here at Cal Jam, which we're starving on the vine here. Because we want to get out and get things rocking and rolling and create greater realization to the realities in this world. And for us to be able to do that, we do have to have a venue. But I know many of you, tons of you have reached out to me inquiring about future dates and what's going on with Cal Jam. I just want to let you know we are diligently working to get this show back on the road and get that event and Spizzerinctum back to you folks out there. And I miss all of you as well. It's been a difficult time for all of us, as you well know. In some realms, I mean, I obviously took some time off and got to go surfing, but I'm really ready to get back to some rock and roll and some fired up speeches and some camaraderie and some love and hugs and all the things that Cal Jam's about. So just saying, we're still working. We haven't gone away. I won't ever go away. We're just on a kind of holding phase right now still. And again, we're looking for any types of, maybe if somebody's got some secret spot we can utilize, I would love that. Especially here in Orange County, it's just really hard for me to move this show out just because of all the moving parts that we've got, mostly band-wise. But love you all. See you down the road. We'll be back. I guarantee it. It's just a matter of time. Peace and love.